Hello, and thank you for becoming a My World 2015 partner. On the following video, we will guide you through on how to upload an offline ballot set of data into our own database. In order to do this, we will need you to go to our partner site. So you can type partner.myworld2015.org and hit enter. You will be prompted with the login site where the login page where you will be asked for your My World partner ID. Here, type in the My World partner ID as given to you on our confirmation to registration email. Type the password you were given in this email as well and click login. After you have clicked and logged in into your partner site, you will see on the top a variety of tabs, and you will want to click on the template spreadsheet tab. After you're under the template spreadsheet tab, select English and click on top of the icon. The icon will provide an instant download to our Excel template, and you should be able to open it right away. After you open the Excel spreadsheet, you will see that we have three main sheets. The first sheet is a data input. In here you would want to input all the data for each and one of the votes from the offline ballots, of course. Just keep in mind you would not want to change any of the first row's characters. Doing so will actually prevent the data to be uploaded correctly. So do not change any of the highlighted top row fields. Then, going back to instructions, which is our second page on the spreadsheet, we will want to follow these instructions right here. So, the first instruction says, or the first step tells us to use the template in My World Resorts spreadsheet to enter the data. We've seen it. Second, enter the data from ballot 1 in each line. Or enter data from one ballot in each line. So we go back to our main spreadsheet. We will want to enter our partner ID. Second, we need to introduce or input the countries field. This would be the country where the actual survey or poll was conducted. In this case, keep in mind we do also have a code guide here to guide you through on what are gonna be the codes that you'll be needing for each and one of the fields that you need to input. So we're looking at the United States. So this survey was conducted in the United States, and the United States has a code of 185. Therefore, on the field for country, we will type 185. The region state is an open field, so here you can input basically any region or state as it was presented to you on the offline ballot. On year, this field refers to the year on which the survey was actually conducted. So we will type 2012 and the month of October, specifically the 22nd of October. Our next field is the voter gender field. Here we would have to refer back to our codes guide, look for the code referring to a male or female voter. In this case we have a female voter, and we would have to input the code number 2 for a female voter. Then we see that we need to input the voter's year of birth. In this case, we just type in the year of birth as presented on the offline ballot. In this case, the voter was born in 1985. Then we see the education level. We have to refer back to the codes guide and look for whatever code you need, respective or corresponding to your voter. In this case, the code will be 4. Finally, you reach the priority section. Here, you would need to type each and one of the priorities the voter selected. For this case, we have priority number 1 is option 100, 105, 107, 108, 109, and 112. The last field is the suggested option or the suggested priority, in which you would type the recommendation from the voter as it is presented to you on the offline ballot. In this case, the voter has typed a better world as their priority. So we refer back to our instructions and we see that we have inputted every single data for each and one of the votes. In this case, our survey consists of 1 vote. However, if you had a survey of 10 votes, then you would want to populate vote by vote until you have reached the appropriate number of votes. So we make sure that the data is accurate and that the required fields are filled. Yes, we're not missing anything, so we can go back, and before uploading we need to save the spreadsheet under the comma separated values format. So how do we do this? We go to File, Save As. On the Save As option, we will want to select CSV or comma delimited. Select Save. Just click OK through all these warnings, and you can head back to our partner site. Now you'll want to go to the Upload Spreadsheet tab. So in order to upload the CSV, you want to email it to our support team at support@myworld2015.org email address. You can just click on the address. You want to input a specific subject to the matter. Maybe we would want to specify the date and the name of your affiliation or institution. Don't forget to attach a file, and you should be ready to go by sending us your data to be uploaded directly into our servers. Thank you very much.